Hello, okay, I'll be cutting this trending sleeve that we can see in the image. Okay, and then the measurement I'll be using is the measurement from the shoulder to the hip of the client. So it's going to be like a low and high kind of sleeve. Okay, so I need the length of 32 for the hip measurement, that is from the shoulder to the hip measurement. Then the on the front side, that is from the shoulder to the wrist, is about 18 inches. So now what I'm doing now is I'm measuring the length from the shoulder to the waist, and then I'm now measuring 18 inches from the shoulder to the wrist. That is the front side of the hand, of the arm. So I'll be measuring 18. Then with the sewing allowance, I make it 19. Then if you look at the design very well, the edge of the sleeve is taped. So I make it about 20 inches to be on the safe side. If you look at the sleeve, so what do I do? From the 18 inches, I'm going to cut to the end of the other side of the sleeve. Okay, so to just be on the safe side, you can pin it. You can use a pin to demarcate the place to be on the safe side. Okay, so the next thing is that I will cut it from the where the 18 inches stop to the edge of that wall. That's what I'm cutting, and it shouldn't be too sharp, just a little curve so that the shape can come out. You can see it's a bit curved so that the shape can come out very well. That's it. So the edges there, instead of cutting armhole, I'm going to form gather with it. So this is going to come, and the edges of the sleeve to be taped with the main fabric, but I'm not using the main fabric. I use a bias instead, and the main fabric is a bit stronger. Okay, this is the end of the taping. I've taped it with the bias. And then here is our client, so appreciative of the design. It's showing us a style. Look at how it's going to come out. Look at how it is. She's so appreciative of the design. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. Please do subscribe.